Hello students. So I have already prepared videos on exercise 8.3 fourth problem 1 to 10, but one of our viewers requested that the videos are not coming properly. I mean, he requested, his name is Rohan, he requested to make it a little larger. So that's why I'm replacing those videos. So we are left with 9th and 10th. We'll resolve 9th and 10th today. So let's start with the 9th problem. This is the problem. We have to prove this. Prove. Now you must be aware of these three identities, with the help of which we actually prove any other identity. So if this is the identity, I already told that try to break into sine and cos. Break into sine and cos. This is one of the basics. I also told that anytime 1 minus cos square theta equal to sine square theta, and 1 minus sine square theta is cos square theta. Anytime this can become 1 minus cos theta, 1 minus plus cos theta equals to sine square theta, and this can become 1 plus sine theta and 1 minus sine theta. So same applies to these two also. Anytime tan square theta can become sec square theta minus 1, and sec square theta minus tan square theta can become 1. If sec square theta minus tan square theta is 1, then sec theta plus tan theta into sec theta minus tan theta is 1. So anyways, these are the basics. Also this we must use this a plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square. We will take help of this formula. Anyways, let's resolve this. Break into sine, and the hint says that resolve LHS and RHS separately, which is not necessary. So this becomes cos square a by sin a into sin square a by cos a. So one sin goes, one cos goes. So we are left with sin a cos a. The hint says resolve sin a cos a separately. So going by the hint, RHS is break into sin and cos, sin a by cos a, and cot a is cos a by sin a. I think I have clarified previously on all this. So take LCM, sin a cos a, this becomes sin square a, this becomes cos square a. So 1 by a by b becomes b by a. So this becomes sin a cos a, and 1 by sin square a is 1, so 1. So that is equal to LHS equal to RHS. You can write at LHS equals to RHS because both are equal to sin a cos a. So another thing which you can do is, this is option 1. Option 2 is divide numerator. See, you got here sin a cos a. You keep on doing this. Divide by 1. Divide by Sine square A plus cos square A. This is by 1, right? 1 can be broken as sine square A plus cos square A. And divide numerator and denominator by sine A cos A. Just keep in mind you have to use any one. So this becomes sine A cos A by sine square A by sine A cos A, and this becomes cos square A by sine A cos A, and you divide this by sine A cos A, right? You divide both numerator and denominator. It is actually like this. So when you separate, it becomes plus like this, and this gets cancelled. You are left with 1 in the numerator, and in the denominator you are left with sin A by cos A and cos A by sin A. So sin A by cos A is tan A, and cos A by sin A by cot A. That is equal to RHS. This is another way of doing this. Hope I am clear. Let's move on to the last one. I am rubbing all this. I think you are clear with all this. Let me know in the comments box if at any point you have any questions. So next one is last one, that is fourth number 10th. 1 plus tan square A by 1 plus cot square A equals to 1 minus tan A by 1 minus cot A whole square equals to tan square A. So you start with the first one, this one. 1 plus tan square A is how much? Sec square A. This is a lot easier. 1 plus cot square is cosec square A. So this is 1 by cos square A. This is 1 by sin square A. A by B divide by C by D. Algebra says A by B into D by C, right? So this becomes 1 by cos square A into sin square A by 1. So sin square A by cos square A is tan square A. Correct? The first one is proved, it is equals to tan square A. Now let's take this one, break into sin A by cos A. One minus sin A by cos A, this one by 1 minus cos A by sin A whole square. That becomes cos A minus sin A by cos A, and this becomes sin A minus cos A by sin A. That is whole square. Now you know another thing, by A by B by C by B, this B and this B gets cancelled and you are left with A by C. Remember this. So cos A and cos A get cancelled. Now cos A, another formula you have to use. A minus B whole square is how much? A square plus B square minus 2AB. And what is B minus A whole square? That is B square plus A square minus 2AB. So both are equal, right? They both are equal. So that is why cos a minus sin a and sin a minus cos a whole square are equal. So you are left with cos a minus sin a whole square. Separate the whole square. Sin a minus cos a whole square. If you want to expand, you can expand, or you can simply cancel out and write this, that a minus b whole square equal to, since how do you write since a minus b whole square is equals to b minus a whole square, and you can cancel it out, equals to 1. If you don't want to cancel, expand. Cos square a plus sin square a minus 2 sin a cos a, and this is sin square a plus cos square a. We did something wrong. Oh, this was not supposed to be cancelled. I'm sorry. This sin a. No. So you apply a by b, c by d. This becomes sin a by cos a. You are left with this. Sorry, huh? So you have tan a left here. Sin square a plus cos square a minus sin a cos a. So this get cancelled. It's up to you. Equals to tan a. That is equals to this one. I hope this was clear, and this time you don't have any resolution issues or anything. If still you have there, let me know. If you have any questions, please let me know. Please subscribe my channel if you like the video. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day and wait for my next video. Thank you so much.